Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world. In today's video, we're shopping, cleaning, and organizing the pantry and the fridge. If you're new and you're looking for some weekly mojo, some encouragement, some entertainment, or a good friend, stop right there, hit that subscribe, and become a part of the Bestie crew. You won't regret it. To my returning besties, day one besties, little besties, y'all are the best. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for coming back each and every time I upload a video. Thank you. Love all of you. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. for my new subscribers, my new besties, I don't clean toilets in my videos, so you will not see me clean the toilet in my video. This is my extremely small powder room, so it's not a whole lot in here that you can see. It's just a mess. This is the tiniest powder room I have ever been in, and I'm sick of it. But I'm getting it cleaned, and you guys are going to see a little transformation. But sometime soon, I will be redoing this bathroom.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now.
Hello, besties. This is grocery haul number 1. I went to Walmart. We have 4 loaves of white bread, just regular sliced bread, 2 of the hot dog buns, 2 hamburger buns. These are the Reese's Colliders Twisted Yogurt, as well as the Kit Kat Colliders Twisted. I got 3 of the balanced breaks. This one has peanuts and cranberries. This one has almonds and white cheese. And this one has cashews and white cheddar. Thing of sour cream. Everything. No, these are the onion bagels, cinnamon raisin, and these are everything bagels. 10 of the chicken nugget Lunchables. The Gorton's fish fillets, and the Gordon's fish sticks. This is a beef chuck roast. 2 things of the thick sliced bologna. 24 count hot dogs, and the Johnsonville Better Cheddar Brats. I picked up 3 of the ribeye steak. There's 3 packs here. This is the 100% Angus beef burgers, 12, 72 slices of cheese. We also have the Fiesta blend, mild cheddar, Italian style, and the Colby Jack. I picked up 2 of the Kerrygold Pure Irish Butter to put in my butter dish. This is the Land O'Lakes Honey Butter, cinnamon and sugar. And then I picked up the garlic and herb. I figured I'd try to make my own garlic bread. And of course the spreadable butter. 3 things of ground meat. This is a 10-pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And the 8-pound bag of chicken wing sections, or wingdings, whichever one you want to call it. We also have sausage, maple flavored sausage patties, 2 things of chicken nuggets, a thing of pepperoni, 2 beef kibbases, a thing of pepperoni minis, bacon, string cheese, a 24 count of Go-Gurt, 2 of the Red Baron Pizza Melt Supreme sandwiches. These are delicious. 2 of the regular cut French fries because they didn't have the big bag. And what is this? A 4-pound bag of seasoned French fries. 2 of the Cosmic Brownies. 2 of the oatmeal cream pies. 2 Swiss rolls. 2 chocolate cream filled cupcakes. 2 of the Hostess Cinnamon Swirl Baby Bunts. 2 of the Twinkies. A box of Little Bites party cakes and Little Bites chocolate chip muffins. 2 of the peanut butter wafer bars and 2 of the honey buns and 2 things of 18 count eggs. They did make it. So that is all for grocery haul number 1. So let's put it all away.
On your mind, whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone.
Hello, besties. This is haul number 2. So Let's start down here. We got bell pepper, green, orange, and yellow bell pepper. I don't know what it is. I don't know why they don't have red. Red bell peppers are non-existent anymore. A bag of grapes, strawberries, brown sugar, 2 things of regular sugar. I got 2 of the buttery mashed potatoes and 2 of the roasted garlic mashed potatoes. This is Aldi's, by the way. Angel hair pasta, 3 of the real bacon bits, a gallon of milk, 2%, 2 things of dried cranberries for my salads, 2 things of cherry tomatoes, a box of bacon and cheddar cheese Angus burgers, 2 garden salad, and 1 coleslaw, a box extra sweet tea pure leaf. This came from Shop and Save because I went to Shop and Save and Aldi's. We also got some Albert's ham off the bone, ham cubes, 2 packets of brown gravy mix, 2 containers of squeezed grape jelly. These are the peppers and onions for the for the sausages. We also have some kosher dill spears and bread and butter sandwich slices. 3 things of cream cheese, strawberry, spicy jalapeno, and honey pecan. This is called sweet salad cubes. I figured it was similar to relish, so pick that up. Also got the International Delight Iced Coffee Mocha, 2% lactate milk for Nina, chicken of the sea, 4 cans of tuna, 2 cans of chicken, 4 cans of sliced potatoes. Thank you, Miss Missy. Love it. I'm going to use that for my sausage. A thing of grits, 1 thing of collard greens, and 1 of kale greens. You mix it together. You don't eat them separate. A case of water, 2 of the sweet Italian sausage. I also picked up some pork sausage. This I'm going to use when I make my breakfast bowls. There's a squeezed bottle of coleslaw. I got a thing of tartar sauce, some more bacon, some of the fully cooked bacon. I got 2 of those. A thing of cheese, some coffee creamer powder, 2 cucumbers, a bag of red or purple onions, a bag of Berry Colossal Crunch, and cinnamon toaster cereal. Now we're going over here, and we have 2, 4, 6 boxes of stuffing. There's turkey, cornbread, and chicken. 2 jars of spaghetti sauce, meat flavor. Another thing of grape jelly. I have some chunky salsa. 2 cans of sweet potatoes or yams, whatever you want to call them. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. 4 cans of pork and beans. They are maple and cured bacon. We have here two things of honey barbecue sauce, 4 cans of green beans. This is pineapple salsa, 2 things of mayonnaise, 2 things of chicken broth, the meltable cheese, I use this for cheese fries and making my own salsa, my own queso dip. Also a box of the Black Forest Juicy Burst fruit snacks, 2 boxes of shells and cheese, and a box of fruit rounds. And that is it for haul number 2. Now it's time to put it all away.
Baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know.
So this is not sponsored, but this is Fetch Rewards. I don't know if anybody knows about it, but it's a little app where you can scan your receipts. So I'm showing you the little app. And then you go onto the little thing there and you click it and you click snap. And then you take a picture of your receipt. And it could be any receipt you have. If you went out to dinner, if you got gas, if you went to the grocery store, if you went to a restaurant, if you went to the corner store, and they give you a receipt. Anything that has a store total and the date, you can scan. And it has to be like within 14 days. And you just scan that in and you get points. And what happens is you can save these points to use towards anything. You can use it for gift cards. They have sweepstakes on here. They have all kinds of things on here. I personally try to save for the gift cards because I love gift cards and I love shopping. And that's what you do. And you snap, you get points and everything else. So if you don't have Fetch Rewards, sign up for Fetch Rewards. Use my code, which is down at the bottom of the screen there. And you get 2,000 points. I get 2,000 points. And then you just go on and scan your receipts. You already get one, so you might as well scan them. And go on and do what you do. You know what I'm saying? And get some free gifts cards or whatever.
Everything will be alright.
Hello, besties. Hello, hello, hello. And this is haul number 3. Final haul. If you hear noise in the background, it's my girl Miss Sean B saying we live here. So you're gonna hear some noise. Hubby's playing Call of Duty and Mia's gonna get her some water. So this is Sam's Club, Five Below, and Giant Eagle. So we got the 30 count chips. You see the flavors. We got excuse me, the bold mix 50 count. You see the flavors. We picked up a box of the cereal bars, Reese's Puffs in Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And of course I got the Mott's fruit snacks. These are the big ones. We also picked up a 24 count orange juice. These are 60 count chewy granola bars. You see the flavors. We also picked up Pop-Tart Bites, 20. And at the same, we got the Snack Time Mix. It comes with those 3 flavors of chips, cookies, and crackers. From Five Below, I picked up 2 cell phone holders for my car. This one is for the vent, and then the other one is already in my car. Nia was with me, and she wanted these little decal sticker things. I picked up a 5-minute gratitude journal. I was flipping through it, and I like the fact that it asks you questions. You can make a vision board, stuff like that. I picked up some Pocky and some Hello Panda chocolate cookie things. The kids like those. And 2 cups. This one is mine, and this one is Jada's. Now, back to Sam's Club. We have the Nesquik. There's 15 bottles. The Nesquik. We also picked up 30 count veggie straws. What is this? The 6 count Lunchables, cheesy and pepperoni pizza. I think they might be eating that for dinner tonight. I also picked up the Rubbermaid Freshworks Produce Savers. It's an 8-piece set. They should have said it was a 4-piece set, because you don't count lids. That's just stupid. The lid automatically comes with it, so it's a 4-piece set. But that's what it is. I got it from Sam's Club. I also picked up the 24 count apple juice, 24 count Sunny Delight. From Giant Eagle, I picked up the, what is this? Colby Jack cheese cubes to go with my pepperoni. You know, I make my poor man Lunchables. And the thing of Uncrustables. They did not have none at Sam's Club. I'm a little mad about that one. Got Kool-Aid Jammers, 40 count flavors. We also picked up toilet paper, paper towels. What is this? 24 count ginger ale, 36 counts Pepsi, Mountain Dew. I also got my Unstoppables, all free and clear all free and clear pods, and last but not least, Snapple lemonade. So that is the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
Wanna go, wanna go, wanna go, wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. Yeah. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy, but it's true. Crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You are all I need now. You're all I need. It's crazy, but it's true. Oh yeah. You're all I need. You're all I need. You're all I need now. Oh, it's crazy, but it's true. Oh, you're all I need. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to
need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. And jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Open up to spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down. Fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down. Fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. You're like the wind. You're like a bird.
So I got these from, where did I buy these things? Sam's Club. And they work really nicely. The only thing I don't like is they don't like seal the smell, because the onions and stuff that I prep and cut, you can smell when you open the refrigerator. And I know you can put baking soda and all that stuff in the refrigerator and catch the oil smells, whatever. But just for the purposes of putting them away and getting my veggies prepped, that's what I did. So, but that's the only down that I didn't like. But I do like the sizes. It held a lot of stuff, and you'll see that later when I go to prep all my veggies and my fruits. You'll see that.
You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning.
See, I did wash my hands after messing with the garbage.
Well, this the step I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Oh, this feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go, let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. But be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean, love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout. Cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face. You're sorry. And I quit my job for you, even quit some friends for you. Cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2. When you promised we'd be together, you, me, forever. Now there's nothing left to lose. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone.
Birthday, you should be doing nothing.
Only late for that.
I know. Wait, I'm having
She cooked you dinner. What are you
Okay,
talking
everyone,
about?
shut up.
Yo, what?
I don't want to talk about
Okay,
that.
guys.
You already talked about that.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
8 candles.
No.
Yes!
Hot orange.
What? No,
She's
44.
You don't ever ask a woman her
He
age.
was like, oh, yeah, I forgot.
If you got something to say,